Hey there, in this video we're going to go through creating an appointment for the DaySmart Spa program. This is one of the most basic parts of using the program, and let's jump right into it. To start off, you're going to jump to the appointment book screen, and then you're going to click on the spot on the appointment book that you want to create the appointment. That's going to pull up this appointment card, which is where you can put in some quick information about the appointment you want to create. Let's start by selecting the customer. We could just start typing in part of the customer's name here, or scroll through our list to find the customer that we're looking for. Let's go ahead and choose this customer. And next, we're going to want to choose the service. So we're going to click on here and where it says what service, and we would just start typing if we do not see the service we're looking for in order to start searching for that service on the service list. Now let's just say we want to use this first service right here. All right, and you'll notice that the appointment book actually changes and adjusts in the background to show you what that appointment is going to look like if you were to hit schedule. You can go ahead and select an appointment type here. Let's say that this was a request. Now any of the details about this appointment, if I wanted to edit them, I would click in here and click on appointment details if I wanted to change the price or the duration or look at something about the customer before I schedule. If I want to just go ahead and schedule, I can just hit the schedule button and it would add it to the appointment book. Let's click this appointment details button and see what that shows. So that's going to pull up this create appointment screen. On the screen you can see some customer information, you can see the notes, you can add in new notes in here depending on what you'd like. You can save those notes into the system. You can see upcoming appointments, recent visits. If you have the integrated credit card processor, you can add a new credit card to the account. You can also look at photos of this customer. And once you're done looking at these pieces of information up here, go ahead and click this button that says collapse. And now you'll see that we can see the service and all the service details. If I wanted this service to take a little bit longer, I could change that. If I wanted to go ahead and change the price, I could go ahead and change that. And then in order to save these changes, I'm just going to hit the schedule button up here and go ahead and schedule that appointment onto the appointment book. And there you have it. Now we've added that appointment in. Now from here, you can also click on the appointment and check the appointment in. That's going to check the appointment in, and then from there, you could very quickly go into the checkout screen. The checkout screen is going to pull up, and then from here, you could consider adding on additional services or adding on products, depending on what this person is purchasing. You can change the details yet again, add a discount, and you can also do a return right from this screen. Now, for our example, let's hit this proceed to payments option, and then that's going to ask us how the person is paying for the appointment. I'm going to click on where it says cash, and we're going to go ahead and add in a cash payment. Let's say it was, let's say $180 is what they paid. We'd hit this add payment button, and then it's going to list the overage as change. So we have $21 change going back to the customer here. If we wanted to add that as a tip, we'd hit this add tip button, and then we'd come over here and put that tip amount in. So let's say that that whole $21 is given as a tip. I could go ahead and hit add here, and then I'm ready to go ahead and close this ticket and complete the transaction. Now once I've closed the ticket, it asks me if I want to email the receipt or print. For our example, I will hit skip, and then I will go ahead and just jump back to the calendar screen without rebooking. Now there is another way to go ahead and create a transaction in the software. If somebody walked in or called on the phone and just wanted to buy something, but they didn't actually have an appointment. Let's run through what that looks like. I'll start by clicking on this little checkout button up here at the top of the screen, and this is going to list all of the appointments that could be checked out, and I'm going to click on where it says new transaction. And now from here, I'm going to go ahead and click, once again we'll use the same customer to find the customer that we're looking for, and it jumps right to the checkout screen. So it wants to know what exactly this person is purchasing, and it skips the create appointment step of this process. So I'm going to click into here. Let's say that they're purchasing a product. So we'll use this face wash product here. It's going to pull up the details. You can change the price. You can add a discount. But then once you've made the changes, just hit proceed to payments. Indicate the method of payment by clicking on that and putting in the amount. Hit the add payment button, and now you're ready to close the ticket. I can email print the receipt. I'll skip the receipt, and then I'll just jump back to the calendar. And there you have it. That's how you create an appointment in the DaySmart Spa program. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you have a great day.